I'm doing a package opening today. I just ordered some computers and backpacks from Best Buy, and I want to see how they look. Because my daughter was like, I just got a computer, and I was like, let me see how it look. And I was like, ooh, I want that. So I was like, let me order it. Now, these computers were $99 each. The early Black Friday sales, and they have the backpacks was like $11.99 each, which I've been looking for backpacks for a while because I love a backpack with my computers, right? So let's start. I'm gonna use scissors. Better be cute. Okay. That's the brand. Let's see. She said she liked hers. Okay, so let's see if I like it. Okay. I'm just gonna open one because I got two. So I'm just open one. Okay. Look at this box. Big box. Okay, this is what it came with. The plugs, of course, paperwork. And this is the computer. Ooh. Ooh, it's not that bad, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, that's not that bad. It's not that bad. Shoot. Pretty. Look at that. So I have two of those. So it's this one and then this one. So I'm not going to open both of them. Just open the one. And I'm sorry, this the box is the I'm guessing the back. I'm sorry. Need scissors because I don't want it to struggle game. This is the gray one. Look at this. Why I just got one? Where's my other one? Okay, look at this. You see it? This, look at the back. And look all of these. And, there we go. Okay. Take the tag off. Taggy. Ooh, look at that. This in here. Look at that. What y'all think? Okay, so I got this one, I got the gray one, and then I got a black one, and then this the other computer. So I gotta get my black one. Well, the other one should be coming in either later on today, but I got the black one like this and this gray one. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know if y'all think this is a good deal. $11.99 for the bag, and $99 for these two computers. Okay? All right. See you next time.